So I'm using EV4.27, and if I want to use PowerIK, there's only full body IK, and I don't know how to use full body IK, but I do know how to use PowerIK. PowerIK will work in version 4.26 and I think 4.27 as well, but not in EV5. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just create a plugins folder and place it here. So I just copied from EV 4.26. And so what I'm going to do is open in code. I'm going to change this to 4.27. Now, if you do that, you have to build the entire project. All right, so I have the IK installed. We go here now. There you go, PowerIK. This should work. So if you go to your horse and MVP, you should be able to. Then you have the PowerIK ground, right? Then plug it in. Power the IK here, IK alpha here. This one goes here. In here, you have the settings, so you can just use this. As you can see, this is the character root is pelvis. This is the fit. You can just copy this, go to fit, paste it there. You have all the data here now. Now I'm going to copy ground collision, copy and paste. Ground slope goes here, band direction goes here. I think this should be it. Created a trace channel called PowerIK. By default, it should be ignore, right? And click on the ground. Yeah, so if you put black, let's see if the collision works here. Okay, yeah, so it worked. Okay, so we can do this. So there you go, this is the PowerIK. PowerIK. There you go, now it's working, right? Okay, there you go.